wants to know what's happening with local real estate. It's handy information to have whether you're buying or selling. But even if you're not in the market, you could be surprised at what you find out. You could be sitting on a gold mine and you don't even know it. And this morning I'm going to find out, is now a good time to buy and what areas are performing? With the help of RP Data, I'm going to bring you up to speed on the Gold Coast market. So Cameron, we're at the beginning of 2010. What is the market looking like on the Gold Coast?
We certainly think with consumer confidence back and business confidence back and all the economic indicators pointing in the right direction, Gold Coast should see a bit of a pickup in activity and prices will start to begin to pick up. When you look at the Gold Coast market during 2009, it really didn't have that great a run. We saw that property prices fell by about 5.1% for houses and about 6.5% for units. That wasn't uncommon for a coastal market or a tourism-based market. In the last 5 or 6 months, we've started to see house prices begin to pick up. They've grown about $5,000 from where they were at their lowest point. So we saw around 18,000 properties sold last year. On average, over the last 10 years, there's been about 24,000 sold on an annual basis.
The prestige market, how's that performing?
Some of those top-end markets, even Surfers Paradise, the islands there, Rio Grande and these sort of areas, really wouldn't be surprised to see those markets start to bounce back relatively strongly because they've had such a downtime over the last 24 months.
And first home buyers, what areas should they be looking at?
They should be looking for more affordable markets, areas like we are here at Pacific Pines, Carrara and these sort of areas. There's a few other areas on the northern end of the Gold Coast that will probably do well. Those located close to freeways, major roads, train stations, good bus amenity.
So Cameron, what are some tips if you're looking to get into the property market on the coast?
There's some things that you really should be looking for when you're looking to make any sort of property purchase. You've really got to determine exactly what it is you want from the property. Is it an investment property? And if it is, are you looking for capital growth or are you looking for rental return? Is it for your own owner occupation and are you looking for price growth over a period of time? How long do you want to be in the property and really what do you want out of the property? Once you've determined that, I guess it's going about finding the best possible price property you can. So some good indicators of that are find a property perhaps that's been on the market for a long time. If you can see it advertised week after week, day after day, you may be able to go in there and put a low offer in and you might just get that distressed seller that needs to buy. Also look for someone that's had to drop the price a number of times. If you've noticed a property that was first listed for say $500,000 and now it's $480 and then in 2 months time it could be down to $450. So don't just jump at a property, take your time, look at a number of properties and really understand exactly what it is you want. And I guess don't get caught up in having to buy the first property you see. Take your time, investigate, find as many properties as you can, keep looking, and you really will find the right one, and then you go about getting the right price for it.
That's great advice.